folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. Today I want to show you a storytelling machine.
Barb Makes Things!
This past weekend I went to the opening of an art exhibit by Molly Allis, who does wonderful, joyous things with color and shapes and movement. This summer she's been doing a residency at the Annenberg Community Beach House in Santa Monica, California. Using wood and paper and wire and paint, Molly made a machine to tell a story. Using levers and wheels and knobs and cranks, visitors can make it move. I woke up this morning. And the city was alive outside my window. All the plants next to my building were growing. I hopped on my bike to go to a block party in my neighborhood. When I got there, the whole street was dancing. We all clapped our hands together and shouted, "Hooray, what a day!" Later on, I got home just in time for a yummy meal my grandma made me. And then my grandma read me my favorite bedtime book. As I drifted to sleep, I looked up at the night sky. And I thought to myself, hooray, what a day. Isn't her art so lovely and fun? You can find out more about Molly at mollyallis.com, and she'll be making more public art soon. Plus, she's a musician. Just go to her website. It's an experience you want to have. In other news, I'm going to be taking a week off from videos. I know it's been almost 3 years of posting every single week, but I figure I should be able to take off 2 weeks a year, right? I'll do 1 week off now and another in December probably. I imagine I'll still be making things during those weeks, but it'll give me a chance to get ahead. So I will see you the Tuesday after next. If you like this video, share it with a friend. If you didn't, share it with an enemy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.